Are you looking for the top 5 best laser levels for perfect tile installation? Everyone thinks the best-selling laser level for tiling is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Moto Vera Green Laser Level. First up is the Moto Vera Self-Leveling Laser Level, priced at $49.99. This one caught my eye with its promise of high brightness and precision. If you want a laser level that practically guarantees perfect alignment for your tiling projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Moto Vera features an ultra-bright green beam that's 4 times brighter than standard red lasers, meaning you can see it clearly up to 100 feet, even in bright light. It offers plus or minus 1/9 inch accuracy at 33 feet, which is pretty impressive when you're trying to get those tiles just right. Plus, it includes a tripod that extends from 15 to 46 inches, allowing you to work at any height with ease. And let's not forget, it's IP54 rated for dust and water resistance, making it durable enough for any job site. Now, some people complained about the manual mode being a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, as long as you read the instructions, it's manageable. It's designed for versatility, and once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the control it gives you. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for reliability in your projects. Skip this one if you need something super lightweight or if you're only doing small jobs. At under $50, it's a solid investment for quality. Now, if the Moto Vera's manual mode complexity bothered you.
Product number 2, Fantic D2 Pocket Laser Level. Next, we have the Fantic D2 Pocket Green Laser Level, priced at $49.97. This caught my attention because of its compact size and rechargeable battery. If you want something portable that doesn't compromise on performance, this one deserves a closer look. What's great about this tool is its rechargeable 2200 mAh battery, giving you up to 10 hours of continuous use on a single charge. That's perfect for long days of tiling. The green laser is 4 times brighter than red lasers, ensuring visibility even in bright conditions. With an accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 of an inch at 30 feet, you can be confident in your measurements. Plus, it offers a magnetic bracket for easy mounting and 360-degree rotation, making it incredibly versatile. Some users mention that the battery life could be better, but honestly, 10 hours is more than enough for most tiling projects. If you're doing extensive work regularly, you might want to consider having a backup battery, but it shouldn't be a deal breaker for casual use. This is perfect for you if you value portability and ease of use. Skip this one if you need something with a longer runtime or more heavy-duty features. At under $50, it's a smart choice that won't break.
Product number 3, Rockseed Crossline Laser. Now, let's look at the Rockseed Crossline Laser, available for just $22.99. This budget-friendly option caught my eye because it offers self-leveling and is incredibly user-friendly. If you want a straightforward tool without emptying your wallet, this is worth considering. This little laser uses dual modes, self-leveling and manual, which is great for flexibility. It can project a bright and clear crossline at a 110-degree angle, making it perfect for various leveling tasks. With an accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 inch at 30 feet, it's surprisingly reliable for its price. Plus, it's rated IP54 for protection against dust and water, so it can handle a bit of rough treatment. However, some users have noted that it can be a bit less precise compared to pricier models. But here's the thing, for simple home projects, it gets the job done. If you're a professional, you might want something more advanced, but for DIYers, this is a steal. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or need a reliable backup. Skip this if you require top-notch precision for commercial work. At this price, it's an excellent choice for casual use. Now, if the Rockseed's limitations concern you, the next product might be a better fit.
Product number 4, Klein Tools Compact Laser Level. Moving on, we have the Klein Tools 93 CPLG Compact Self-Leveling Laser Level, retailing at $135.37. This one grabbed my attention due to its durability and bright green laser technology. If you want something that's built to last and performs exceptionally well, this could be the one. The Klein Tools laser features 3 clear 360-degree green laser planes that shine up to twice as brightly as standard red lasers. This means you'll get ample visibility, even in challenging lighting conditions. It has a range of up to 100 feet and an all-day battery life of over 6 hours. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and use in tight spaces. Now, some might argue that it's on the pricier side. I get that. $135 is steep for some. However, the durability and performance you get can justify the cost, especially for those who plan to use it frequently. It's a solid investment for professionals. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or a serious DIYer looking for something reliable. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and just need something for occasional use. While it's pricier, the performance speaks for itself.
Product number 5. Seed LV1G Laser Level. Finally, we have another offering from Seed, the LV1G Laser Level, priced at $23.99. This one piqued my interest because it offers similar features to the previous Seed model, but comes with some added benefits. If you want a solid entry-level laser level without overpaying, this could be your best bet. Like its sibling, the LV1G also has dual modes for self-leveling and manual use, with the same great accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 inch at 30 feet. It projects a clear red crossline and is IP54 rated, so you know it's built to withstand job site conditions. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to fit into your toolkit without taking up much space. One downside is that some users mentioned that the red line isn't as visible in bright sunlight compared to a green laser. But look, if you're primarily working indoors or in shaded areas, it won't be an issue at all. It's a great tool for the price and performs reliably. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or doing home improvement tasks. Skip this if you need high visibility outdoors.
To wrap it up, we've covered some solid laser levels for tiling. The Moto Vera offers brightness and versatility, while the Fantic D2 gives you portability and a rechargeable battery. The Seed models are budget-friendly with decent performance, and the Klein Tools laser is your go-to if you want premium durability. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best fits your needs.